Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today we are making Oreo Truffles. These are a seriously decadent treat made simply with a couple of packets of Oreos and a few extra ingredients. And this recipe is enough to make 10 Oreo Truffles. To start with, take 1 pack of Oreos, leaving 1 Oreo biscuit aside. Then pour them into a blender or a food processor and blitz them until they're the size of breadcrumbs. Next, pour your blitzed up Oreos into a mixing bowl, then pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of brandy. Now add 130 grams of cream cheese. Then mix all the ingredients in the bowl together until everything's combined and you're left with a nice smooth truffle mixture. And now we need to make our truffle balls. So split the mixture between 10, then for each work it briefly between your fingertips to make a roundish shape. Do this for all 10 truffles, then lay them all onto a sheet of greaseproof or parchment paper, then leave in the fridge to firm up. And meanwhile we'll prepare the chocolate to coat our truffles in. So take a glass bowl and place it onto a saucepan which has some gently simmering water in, and then gently melt a bar of dark and white chocolate separately. Now once the chocolate's ready, take the truffles from the fridge, and as they would have firmed up you can roll them between the palms of your hands to make them rounder if you need to. Then for each truffle, dip half of the truffles in the white chocolate and half in the dark chocolate, using forks to dip them in. And finally, once half your truffles are covered in the dark chocolate and the other half in the white chocolate, take that 1 Oreo we set aside earlier, crumble it up and sprinkle it over your truffles. Then simply leave your truffles in the fridge to allow the chocolate to set, and then these delicious Oreo truffles are ready to eat. And what's great about these is they taste seriously decadent and they're so easy to prepare.